delighted up of the completion of the NTIA BIP project administered by the Mississippi Beam Office and Director Doty. And we have completed a 1,300 location passed underground fiber optic plant construction. This is over 150 miles of buried fiber, and it will serve the communities of Bruce, Banner, Ellard, Sarepta, Shepherd, Pittsburgh, Skuna, and Lloyd. It's a big deal for Calhoun County.
Indeed.
Sally, what do you want to tell him about?
We have been so glad to partner with Arriva. Bruce Telephone Company was the name when we started, and y'all continue to grow and expand. I'm Sally Doty. I'm the director of the State Broadband Office, BEAM, Broadband Expansion and Accessibility of Mississippi. And this is a partnership that we have, part of a large grant. It's a $32 million grant. And we've worked with 6 different providers across the state in 10 different counties, and we'll end up serving 10,000 locations with this grant. So this portion of it is very important, and we are so glad to see the results and get to the point where we light up that fiber so these individuals and residents have access to high-speed internet. And I want to encourage those people who now have new access to take that service and enjoy all of the benefits that you can have, whether it is banking online or taking a college course online or all the many different things. You can use it for telehealth appointments, so many different things that you can use high-speed internet for, and it's going to be fast, right?
Yeah,
Blazing fast.
Gigabit.
Blazing fast, in fact, probably faster than some that we have in much larger towns.
For sure.
Our rural communities are now getting this new state-of-the-art fiber. My office, in addition to this, we're kind of wrapping up this construction project. We're getting all of these projects lit up. That's the word we want to use.
Light it up.
Light it up. And we also are administering $162 million in ARPA funding. And then we're administering right at $1 billion of funding that will reach every remaining residential location in the state. We have about 125,000 locations in the state that still do not have access to high-speed internet. So we will be coming to you. We're awarding those grants kind of as we speak. We're in that process, and by midsummer, we will have all of those grants awarded. And if you do not have access to high-speed internet, we will at least be able to tell you who is coming, what provider has the obligation and the funding to provide you with high-speed internet, and those construction projects will start just as soon as we can get everything in place. These are large-scale construction projects, so it does take a good bit of time to get everything in place, the permits in order, and get those underway. So we are just very proud to partner with Arriva and Bruce Telephone Company, and glad to be here today. And I want to thank all of you for your hard work, because these are federal grants with a lot of paperwork, and we do appreciate the time and effort that you've put in, especially to provide this resource to our rural areas. So thank you for your work, and thank you all for having us today. Appreciate it.
Thanks for coming. Appreciate you coming.